So today I'm making my tropical fruit oatmeal. This Dash Diet breakfast consists of tropical fruits like mango, pineapple, bananas, and coconut flakes. So to make this breakfast, first of all, cut up 2 mangoes and dice as shown. Then put one of the mangoes into a blender container and puree it for about 2 to 3 minutes. Once it's pureed, then set aside. Next, put a pan on the fire, medium heat, then add the oat milk and the rolled oats and quickly bring it to a boil. Once it started to boil, reduce the heat such that the oatmeal now begins to simmer. Allow this to simmer for about 7 to 9 minutes until the oats has thickened. Once done, turn off the heat and then add the vanilla extract. Mix it together and then serve out the oatmeal. To finish off this dish, add the mango puree followed by the yogurt. Then add the bananas, the mango and the pineapple with the flaked coconuts. And there you have it, my tropical fruit oatmeal. What a wonderful Dash Diet breakfast to start your day. Click on the screen that is coming up to see other Dash Diet recipes. Take care. Bye.